Good morning, I'm Tricia Sloma. Clinton is on assignment. After slumping for several days, soybean futures took off on Tuesday thanks to new crop production numbers from USDA. The agency changing both soybean and corn projected yields and production. It now puts the national corn yield at a record 177 bushels an acre. That's up half a bushel from last month and up more than 5 bushels from last year. Production is expected to be 15.1 billion bushels, up 43 million from last month. For soybeans, yields are revised downward slightly to 51.2 bushels an acre, with lower yields expected in Indiana, Iowa, Ohio, and Kansas. Production for beans forecasted at 4.4 billion bushels, down 23 million on those lower yields. Traders expected some change to the corn yield, but not a decline for soybeans.
You look at the bean yield of 51.2, and it's still a big yield. I mean, don't fool yourself there. But the thing is, most of the trade thought that we were going to go up. 51.9 was the average trade guess. Quite frankly, you talk to producers throughout the Corn Belt, and I haven't talked to too many of them that weren't thrilled with bean yields, and most of them actually talking about record yields. So I didn't think it was a stretch to think that we would have a record crop.
Checking ending stocks, corn used for ethanol has raised 50 million bushels. So with use rising slightly more than supply, corn ending stocks are lowered 7 million bushels this month to 1.493 billion bushels. For soybeans, the forecast is for more supply than use. So soybean stocks are raised 20 million bushels to 340 million. That's less than the trade expected. The outlook for wheat is for lower supplies, higher use here at home, and lower exports. So ending stocks are figured at 583 million bushels. That's 3 million more than last month's forecast, but still the lowest U.S. ending stocks since 2007.
One of the things with soybeans, for instance, first of all, is that your carryout went up 20 million bushels and the market was up 40 cents within about 2 seconds. And so that shows you that a lot of folks were thinking this carryout was going to be significantly higher.
We'll have much more market reaction to the numbers coming up on Ag Day. And for an in-depth look at the latest report, head over to agweb.com.